Hey guys, it's Claire from Clarified Creations, and today we're going to be doing a dorm room tour. If you don't know, I'm majoring in nursing at the University of Tennessee Knoxville, and I actually have an apartment this year, which is super exciting. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button because there will be a lot more college content coming up. Let's start with outside of my room and I'll show you the grand tour of everything. The first thing you see is this door, which leads to my bedroom, so let's open it up. Voila, we can see some more doors. Next, we're gonna close this door, and over here you'll see I have like a little mini closet rack area for more storage. It's a fairly good size, and as you can notice, I have all of my shoes. I know I have a very large collection over there. Up here, it's kind of bare because I did just move in 10 days ago and I'm not sure what exactly I want to use that space for. I'm thinking I'm probably going to use it for winter coats when it gets closer to the winter months. You might have noticed this very special piece of wood just hanging out on there. Originally, it was supposed to go above my bed, but unfortunately it's too heavy, so I just sat it there. This piece right here is super special to me because I made it and my grumpy also made it, also known as my grandpa. We collaborated together. He made the wood and I made the lettering on there. It says, "May the Lord bless you and keep you," and it's by number 624. So I thought it'd be a really good reminder to just put up in my room. The next thing you'll notice is another door. What might it lead to? Why, of course, the bathroom. I have my own ensuite bathroom. Hi guys. So here is what my bathroom looks like. It is crazy how big it is. And if you couldn't tell, I was going for the theme of blue and brown. So we got a blue towel over here, then a blue and brown shower curtain. I'll give you a little tour of what the shower looks like. Look at how ginormous that is, you guys. It's a walk-in shower. It is huge. I mean, this bathroom is bigger than the one I have at home, which is awesome. This is where I kind of keep all of my things that I use on a daily basis. It's pretty minimalistic because I don't really do much in the mornings. In here, we have some hair accessories and tools that I use daily. We got my lovely glasses, lotion. I'm sure I don't need to say what everything is, but we're gonna kind of take a look of what all I keep in here. The first drawer is my most used items, so it has my makeup that I don't really use, some jewelry for special occasions, and my hairbrush. Then we've got another drawer, which is fairly large, and we got some extra contacts, hair things, because you can never have too many hair ties. Last drawer over here is empty. Wow, I have so much space, I don't know what to do with it. Then we'll open up this little cupboard, and it is so huge. You just see toilet paper, some cleaning essentials, and normally this is full with towels, but I am on the verge of running out of laundry, so I don't have any towels in stock right now. Guys, I wanted to just say I have not done laundry in 10 days. It's been a while, so yeah. And then we also noticed this beautiful piece of artwork that I hung up myself with command strips, so go Claire, that's exciting. And that's pretty much my bathroom. Hallway portion of my room, you can see I put a little night light there so I can easily see when I don't want to turn the lights on. The next thing, oh, we're getting close, is my closet. It's a walk-in closet, and just look at how ginormous that is. Right up here is my extra blankets that I keep in case I get cold, a random whiteboard, a random oil diffuser, dresser for all my clothes. I'll go ahead and show you some of them. It's just what it looks like. It's kind of empty, like I said, because I haven't done laundry in 10 days. So I probably need to get on that. Some pajamas. That's pretty much it. And yeah, guys, I could probably bring so many more clothes than I already have. And my little organizer. Something that I noticed is really cool in the apartment is they actually hung up this little command strip. I think the previous owner forgot to take it off, but it's perfect because this hook holds all of my masks. I have 4 masks up here. It's a great way to keep them kind of separate because I don't want them to get dirty and kind of messed around or anything. I like to keep them kind of more isolated just in case, because you know it has been on my face all day. We're going to move down here and we have my laundry. There's my laundry that is completely full, so I have an extra laundry basket that I'll probably use pretty shortly to do my laundry. Step stool because, guys, this closet is so tall. I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to step on the step stool and show you guys just how tall this is. For reference, I am 5'3", so I'm a decent average kind of smallish person. So I'm stepping on the step stool and look. Like, this is how tall this is. These racks are 7 feet. Crazy. If I didn't have the step stool, I have to get on my tippy toes. Next, we have a mirror, which is kind of nice to say hi to the camera. And above my mirror is my cork board. I also forgot to mention between the bathroom and the closet is this little picture collage I made with my mom and I. Here's our pictures from when we were young. And then that one was more recent. That was about a little over a year ago now in May. Wow, that's so cute, I think. Now guys, are you finally ready to see my room? I am so excited to show you this. I've been working on it for a really long time and it's finally coming together, so here's my room. Wow. Okay, so you can see my Kate Spade comforter. I got this at Marshall's or TJ Maxx for around $50, so it was not bad at all. Got these 2 cozy, fluffy pillows to give it some more texture. Then we've got a beautiful, super duper soft blanket that I just put over my bed. There's my black flower that I spray painted. It was originally hot pink, so we kind of toned it down, made it a bit more adultish. There's a bare walls for simplicity purposes. And one of my favorite parts of my room is that right there. Isn't that so cute? I love the way it turned out. Waking up to this just brings a smile to my face, so I really love the way it turned out. And I proudly hung these up by myself with some guidance from Sarah. Whole family over here, my grandparents, they're more like my second parents, my mom and dad, because I am an only child, us at a waterfall, and little Claire with her Care Bear. Cute. And I think I did a fairly decent job because they're pretty much straight, I think. Now we're gonna go on to the desk area and the side table. I'm gonna show you the side table first. A side table, because you know, gotta set your glasses down at night. We have a Thanks a Latte candle from Cracker Barrel. A clock, because you know, gotta know the time all times. My Bible, which I read in the mornings. And then my phone, obviously, because I don't know where else to put it. Then we look a little bit lower and we see this basket of things, which contains, you guessed it, things. All of my electronic things are stored in here, so it's definitely not the prettiest, but I thought that this is a great way to organize some things, make it look a little bit cuter. Because we're going to be 100% authentic, we're going to look below my bed. I know most YouTubers won't show you this, but this is what mine looks like. I got my back pillow over here, some loose ends from my cart, and then things that I'm planning to take home. Definitely not the most glamorous, but who cares? One of my favorite spaces that I put together is my study space. First, we're going to start with the corner. We have my beautiful velvet pink tufted ottoman. We also have another Bible verse up here. It says, "Be still and know that I am God." It's a really lovely reminder to just kind of think about throughout the day, because sometimes you need a little pick-me-up and some encouragement because anatomy gets hard. My desk is separated by a rug, and this is the whole area. Look at how put together and cute this looks. Let's also talk about my curtains. We got some burlap, I think that's what it's called, this kind of colory curtains, which I think really ties the room together. This area right behind me is where I spend all of my studying. All that knowledge for anatomy comes right from this little corner in front of the view, so it's a really nice place to kind of learn some material here. I have my day designer here, and then I've got a woodwick candle, which I love to burn. It is so satisfying to hear that crackle. My laptop and some other pens, my work hard thing from Ray Dunn. Then we've also got a very uncomfortable chair. Not the prettiest and not the most comfortable for sure. Probably gonna upgrade to a desk chair, but for now it'll work. This drawer, which is kind of full of things. Another space-saving area is the 3-tiered cart that I got. I picked it up from Michael's a few days ago and I am in love with it. My little squishy stress ball for those times when I'm stuck with anatomy. Beautiful textbooks filled with knowledge. Some scissors, my Echo that's not set up yet, and some peppermint gum because you always need to have gum. Calculators, and then you can just kind of see what's below it. My iPad and other various school supplies are in here. My giant North Face backpack is kind of hiding here in the corner. Then my lap desk. And in the final corner, we've got my beautiful cross that my Grumpy made for me. It is super meaningful and I really love it right there. He handmade it from the wood and he made this ring. So beautiful. So thank you, Grumpy. It really is a great reminder to kind of see throughout the day. Finally, we've got my August calendar. So while I'm studying, I can look from here and see my August calendar, everything I have to do. And yeah, guys, that pretty much completes my room tour. I know it is not the most extravagant, but it's meaningful to me. That's what I kind of focus on, trying to create my space as meaningful as possible. Don't forget to subscribe because there will be an apartment tour coming up in the near future. Bye!